Huamao Precision Machinery Factory is a manufacturer and service provider of automation equipment based on nonwoven fabric products. It is an enterprise specializing in the research, development, sales, and service of mask machine, disposable tourism product machine, medical garment machine, beauty product machine, customized automation equipment, nonwoven fabric, melt-blown materials, and mask accessories with many years of industry experience. Whether technical or after sales, we can provide powerful guarantee. The nonwoven fabric produced by us have won wide recognition from customers for its excellent performance, considerate service, and reasonable design, and occupies an important share in the field of spun bond production in China. We are located in Dongguan, Guangdong Province, China, a world-famous manufacturing center with convenient transportation. Committed to strict quality control and considerate customer service, our experienced employees can discuss your requirements at any time to ensure complete customer satisfaction. In addition, we have also obtained CE and Chinese invention patent certificates. The products sell well in Chinese provinces and cities all over the country and are exported to South Korea, Japan, the United States, the United Kingdom, and other countries. ODM, OEM are also welcome to order in our factory. Whether you choose the current product from our catalog or seek engineering help for your application, you can consult our customer service center for your purchase requirements. At that time, we will provide you with appropriate introduction, high-quality products, and effective solutions.